I'm just gonna say to Mark Domingo Cruz, why I bash you in Instagram threads together with teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan. Both of you are wrong. Because when I bash both of you wrong in threads in Instagram, Mark Cruz, do not say bad words at anyone. Even Rodrigo Duterte, you say a bad words. Even me, you always say me a bad words. Even Dan Mardayaw, you call them SOB word. What is that Marcos said? Son of a bitches. Oh, you say bad words at Jerick Silva. The word, the word fuck you. Oh, it's really bad. Because Mark Cruz, you are wrong. You say a bad words at Rodrigo Duterte in threads in Instagram, and I read it. The languages fuck. Where did you get that word Mark Cruz? Where did you get that words? Where did you get this in internet? Like for example, did you even watch Team America World Police? As I'm saying to you, Mark Cruz, if you don't listen to your parents, I know it's your post birthday, because your birthday is when is birthday of Mark Cruz? August 14. That's your birthday. Your birthday, you should stop saying bad words. Do not say bad words at Rodrigo Duterte, because he's very sick. Like me, when I made fake account of Teacher May, I harassed Teacher May. Oh, she's very sick. She has colon cancer, stage 3. Oh, my mom scolded me. This is my fault for what I did to Teacher May. Oh, I curse her a bad words. I curse her an F word. Mark Rose, you are wrong. Even you, Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, both of you are wrong. You're saying about bomb joke. You're saying about bad words. Both of you are wrong. Because right now, when I was very angry, even I was angry at Ate Dina Guillermo, for me, when I made fake account of Ate Dina, Ate Mel contact to my mom and my dad talks to Ate Mel in Messenger. I apologize sa Ate Dina. Oh, I apologize Ate Dina that I curse her a bad words, I curse her a PI word, I curse her in Tagalog words or F word in English. I apologize. If I were you, Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz, if you don't listen anyway, bilga lang, you never say bad words. Oh, you are not a part of Hands Inclusion Philippines, Mark Cruz. Does Ian Martinez say bad words? No. You're the only one who's saying bad words. You're saying about bad words. You called me an F word. You call me an asshole word. When are you gonna stop cursing anyone, Mark Cruz? Don't you even know, Mark Domingo Cruz, that 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 Rodrigo Duterte has diabetes? I'm just saying, he has diabetes, Just like Devin Brew, oh, diabetes. He is very sick, Mark Cruz. Rodrigo Duterte is very sick. The former president of the Philippines is very sick. Do you see Joseph Estrada? He is very sick. Do you see Fidel V. Ramos? He is very sick. He died in 2022 because of COVID-19, because of his old age. Can you respect the senior citizen, Mark Cruz? Just like I said before, like I was told by Ate Ellen. Ate Ellen said to me, we have to respect senior citizen. If I were you, Mark Cruz, if you say a bad words, dare it to say bad words at Teacher Vincent's relatives. If you say that the F word, Mark Cruz. Oh, if Teacher Vincent Ramos is a pro Duterte, if you curse him a bad words. Remember, Mark Cruz, he told that Pinky Ramos to beaten you or to splash to drop you in a drop off. Like I said, why can I say if I bring Mark Cruz in a drop off, he could be drowned in Pangasinan. At least Teacher Vincent Ramos is really reading all the threads in Instagram, oh, and he's monitoring what he just post, oh, all nonsense. If I were you, Mark Domingo Cruz, have a shame to Rodrigo Duterte's family members. You don't really have to make a shame. And it's so embarrassing. Oh. Because like me, if you put you a if Jerick Silva put you a chili finger in your mouth, what was Jerick Silva said before? Makakaroon ng almonaras si Mark Cruz. Oh. You know, Mark Cruz, enough about saying bad words. Alright? Enough saying bad words. Either if you curse anyone who say bad words, do not curse anyone. You know that, Mark Cruz? Where did you get those words are English profanity languages? Where did you get an F word? Where did you get that SOB word? Where did you get the word an asshole word? Like me, I never insult Nanay Ningning. Oh, and Nanay Ningning is my good friend. Do I even insult Nanay Ningning with the F word? No. In the past years, I called Nanay Ningning an asshole word. All Germans are very stupid. My dad scolded me and I know I got in trouble in Instagram. But I apologize Nanay Ningning sincerely when I made my YouTube video. And I talked to Ate Isa. And meanwhile, I never say bad words at Nanay Ningning. Oh, we are just friends when we talk each other. I'm not talking about negatives. Oh, last year when Tito Mac was there and Nanay Ningning was there on Christmas Day in Condon, Stellar Place, I've never say bad words. But Mark Cruz is really saying bad words. He called me an F word. And he called an F word at Jerick Silva. What does Mark Cruz says to Jerick? The word fuck you, oh, that is a bad word. And I do not say that word, oh. Because you know, Mark Cruz, if your parents died, who will taking care of you? Kawawa ka, Mark Cruz, like I said. Everyone will hate you. Because you know, Mark Cruz, you are a bully. Look at Kuya J, Joseph Arcila, the brother of Ate Hannah. Oh, he never say bad words. Because he was teaching in Catholic Church while he was there, alongside with Buddy Castro and even the grandmother of Buddy Castro, who was the mother butler. Oh, like I say again, Mark Cruz. This is really misunderstanding to your family and your friends. You know, you better to be shut up, Mark Cruz, and stop saying bad words. And do not curse Dan Mardayo on SOB word. Do you know, Dan Mardayo, we can file the cases against you, Mark Cruz. in San Pedro, Laguna. He will file you what is it? Oral oral defamation and online defamation. Now you see, Mark Cruz, you will be arrested. Is this what you like, to say bad words at Danmar? Danmar, he never say bad words. Oh, he is criticizing you to stop bullying Cedric. You're the one who bullying anyone. Oh, just like what happened to Paulo Cruzada. He was scolded by his parents over his bomb joke and bomb threat, and he says about sabugin kong Davao City, and I know he was reprimanded by his parents. Teacher May already knows. Didn't want to be like Paulo Cruzada, that he was scolded by his parents, Mark Cruz. You know, Mark Domingo Cruz. I'm not picking you a fight, I am telling you, you need to respect the senior citizen. You need to show respect. Look at Yumi. Like I said before, she has respect. Oh, if Rodrigo Duterte die, Mark Cruz, what will be happen if you curse him a bad word? Oh. And you're bullying anyone, Mark Cruz. Even Kuya Rodelio Daguman, that he was making peace and quiet. You're attacking, you're mentioning his name. And you just stop mentioning Rodelio Daguman, Mark Cruz. You know, Roylan Marlang and Ninang Bebe are very angry at you. You're mentioning Rodelio. He was making peace and quiet. And you're mentioning Robin Onyao. You're mentioning Gerard Atienza. Robin Onyao is not doing anything to you, Mark Cruz. You're making a false accusations. You're accusing anybody, including JD Sagala and even Eliza De La Cruz. If I say to you, Mark Cruz, I just want to tell you something. Oh, that's why your relatives have been misunderstanding with your family, because you are a toxic. You are a bad behavior. You are bad influence. This is why Paula Nunez said to me, oh, I never want to say bad words. Oh, when I bash you, Mark Cruz, with my F word, and I lash you out SHIT, the shit word and fuck word, oh, because you are wrong. Just like that, Rodrigo Duterte is nothing wrong to the Filipinos. He protects Filipinos, he loves Filipinos to stop doing what they're doing, even illegal drugs. Because illegal drugs is creating wrongdoing. Stealing cellphone, pickpocketing, that is a wrongdoing. Rape is a wrongdoing. Oh, that is a wrongdoing. The drug addicts in the Philippines are wrongdoing. If I were you, Mark Cruz, you are a wrongdoing. You are wrong. Because I know Jerick Silva said to me, even Teacher May Tiburcio said to me also, you are wrong. Do you even know that Zachary, the tutorial of Teacher May was very wrong? He's wrong. Oh. That's what I say again, Mark Cruz. You are wrong. And if I want to say to you, even your family members are saying to you, you are wrong. You know, that I'm just saying to the parents of Mark Cruz, discipline him and teach him good manners and right conduct. And he has to stop with this bad words. Like me, when I play video game in Call of Duty Modern Warfare, I never say bad words. Oh, I never copycat in the bad words. Because when I say bad words only to the lemon, the dog, because he's peeing the floor, I say shit, F word, or I always said that. But not in social media. Not in Instagram and threads. Because, you know, Mark Cruz, you're insulting people. You're insulting anyone. And I am here to stopping you because you are wrong. Do you even know that that Zachary, the tutorial of Teacher May, has been creating bad influence? Just remember, he play GTA. Oh, just like what happened to yourself. You know, Mark Cruz, I say to you, everyone will hate you. Oh, everyone will hate you because you're saying bad words. Because I'm saying to Trisha Pung, the friend of Shania Kiana, don't listen to Mark Cruz because he's saying bad words. Oh, Trisha Pung doesn't like to say bad words. Can you just stop saying bad words at even other people that you're cursing at? Huh? And you don't know what you're talking about and you're cursing everyone with the bad words? How did you raise you as a person when you say bad words? How did you raise this person who was saying bad words? For me, I attack Teacher May. I bash her bad words. Oh, I apologize, Teacher May. Because she has stage 3 colon cancer. Oh, that it will never happen again and I will stop making fake account. But you, Mark Cruz, you need to stop saying bad words. You need to stop bashing Rodrigo Duterte and F word because it's really cyberbullying, Mark Cruz. And you don't know about cyberbullying. And you pretend yourself you're a victim of cyberbullying. Otherwise, the others are angry at you because they are victim of cyberbullying. It is better to you, Mark Domingo Cruz. You need to go to therapy. Because you're saying bad words. Look at Klaus, I remember. He was scolded by Teacher Mirna. He was scolded because he was wrong when he say bad words. He say GAGO. He says any kind of bad words or inappropriate Filipino languages or Tagalog profanities. That is an insult. That is a full of negative. If I were you, Mark Cruz, think about positive. Look at yourself. You don't really have to ashamed of yourself. If you call me Nazi German, would you insult Nanay Ningning? An Nazi German? Do you even insult the past husband, Uncle Eugene, is a Nazi German? Even Anya? Mark Cruz, you have to be ashamed to Nanay Ningning and Anya si Yuki, my ninang, and even Uncle Eugene. You should be ashamed. How would you call them Nazi German? You don't know what you're talking about. People there are angry at you. My friend David Gill is asking me, when you read it in Instagram threads, and I was told by Mr. Dennis Gill, the father of David, he said to me that Mark Cruz is saying bad words at Rodrigo Duterte. He is very sick. Is this a teachings of Jesus to say bad words? You know, Mark Cruz is not teachings of Jesus. Your bad words anyway is not teachings of Jesus. Just respect Rodrigo Duterte. He's very sick, Mark Cruz. He's very sick. If you insult anyone, or if you insult Teacher Vincent's auntie who is a senior citizen, because I know his auntie will never get die. Because of her age, 97. You're insulting senior citizen. If you insult Nanay Banji, Mark Cruz, would you call her an F word? If you insult Nanay Net, if you insult Tatay Arnold, if they're senior citizen, even Tatay Delpin, who was in Canada, would you ever insult the senior citizen, Mark Cruz? You don't know what you're talking about, your F word. You don't really how to respect others, like for example, you don't really respect senior citizen. Look at Joannes Impact. He is very angry at you, Mark Cruz, because you're saying bad words. It's not a teachings of Jesus. And everyone will angry at you, Mark Cruz. People there will deserve you that they will not trusted you. If you insult Teacher May's mother, who was a senior citizen, Mark Cruz, if you call her an F word, she will make you angry. She will make you suffer. If I were you, Mark Domingo Cruz, and even Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, enough about bad words, enough about bomb threats. I had enough about both of your foolishness. Because I read it in AI mode in Google, the foul languages of Mark Cruz is oral defamation. And he might get sued of cyber libel. Just remember, Dan Mardayaw is already issued an arrest warrant from the Pasay RTC, right? In the court. Because he already filed the complaint affidavit against you, Mark Cruz. If Dan Mardayaw visited in San Pedro, Laguna, he will talks to you in barangay, and there is a certificate of file action. Just like what happened I did to David Gill, when I received from certificate of file action, I attacked the church and I made a fake account of Larry Chuanico. That is my fault. Larry Chuanico, he doesn't want to say bad words because he was reprimanded by Franco Morales. If I were you, Mark Cruz, just stop saying bad words immediately and withdraw with your foul languages. If everyone will say you say about fuck word, or you say about SOB word, or son of a bitches. If you say about, what's that word? PI words, like in Tagalog words, or tangina words, that's what I said. Um, there will be a consequence, Mark Cruz. Me, I said again, Mark Cruz. I was lectured by Ate Ellen and Franco Morales that I will never say bad words. Oh. And I promise to Ate Ellen, I will not attack Teacher May. Oh, I will not attack Ate Dina. Oh. Because I let them be. I leave them alone. Oh. That's what I do. It's better to you, Mark Rose. Can you just leave Danmar Dayaw alone, and even Rodelio Daguman, Kuya Rodelio, and even Mongalang, me, even JD Sagala, and you just leave them alone. Even leave us alone or leave them alone, better. Or even Eliza De La Cruz, leave her alone.